Cleo. Cleo, who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? You're a good girl. Look at you. Look at those beautiful green eyes. Look at the beautiful green eyes. Your beautiful green eyes. You say I 7 years old and I declawed and I a very lovey girl. My owner was 84 and her died. Her died. My owner died and now I got nobody. I need somebody to love me. I'm a good girl.